This is the video series for VCF entry questions. Here the scenario is, as an administrator, we are configuring a custom alert in the operations to monitor a disk latency issue. The alert is configured with the settings like wait cycle is 2 and cancel cycle is 2. You can see that screenshot attached here. The symptom is triggered because of a threshold breach, but when the threshold data returns to normal, the issue remains unresolved in the alerts section. Okay, now we need to understand why it is not getting resolved immediately. Okay, now let's understand how an alert lifecycle works in VCF operations using default settings. We need to remember one key rule: one cycle equals 5 minutes. In this example, the alert is configured with wait cycle equal to 2, which equals 10 minutes, cancel cycle equal to 2, which also equals 10 minutes. Now let's walk through the timeline. At time 0, a symptom is getting detected. This happens normally when a matrix breaches a defined threshold. For example, high CPU, high memory, low latency, or high latency. Okay. However, the alert does not trigger immediately. Instead, the Aria operations enters the wait cycle phase. Here we define the wait cycle phase as 2, right? So 2 into 5 minutes, it will wait for 10 minutes, to trigger that alert, so that we can avoid false positives or short spikes. After this 10 minutes wait cycle, the alert becomes active. Once the alert is active, Aria operation starts the cancel cycle timer. The cancel cycle is measured only after alert activation, not from symptom detection. The cancel cycle is configured with 2 cycles here in this example, which is another 10 minutes. Even if the metric returns to normal during this period, the issue won't get resolved immediately. So it will wait for that cancel life cycle, cancel cycle time duration to resolve it. So overall, 10 minutes for wait cycle here and 10 minutes for the cancel cycle. So overall, it will take around 20 minutes, to resolve the issue. And there is no extra time added for initial detection here. Okay. So this we need to understand from production perspective, because people will think that the issue is getting triggered, but it's not getting resolved immediately. That will create confusion, right? So we need to understand this life cycle option.